This week we learned about civil rights. Civil rights are liberties and protections. Civil rights are protections from the government that guarantees equal treatment among the people. We have the civil right of freedom of religion. Government cannot promote religion, meaning they can't say this is the correct religion. We do not have a religion for this country. And we also have the free exercise of religion, meaning we can pray where we want to, and we have the freedom to express our religion, unlike in some other countries such as China, I believe Russia, but it's just one of the many freedoms that we have here. We also have the freedom of speech, political speech and protection. No matter what your view is, it's protected here. Even if it's wrong, it is protected. And it's good that we have that, but some people do take it out of proportions. We also have symbolic speech, such as burning the flag. That is a symbolic speech. We also have freedom of press, prior restraint, which means you can't censor something. The government can't censor something before it is published, before it gets out to the people. And then we also have the liberal standards, I believe, which means public figures must prove actual malice. We also have search and seizure protection, the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches, and then there is also a warrant requirement. Police need probable cause and a warrant with certain expectations given the circumstances. We also have due process of law, procedural standards, procedural due process, which is fair legal procedures such as getting read the Miranda rights, stuff like that. And then there's substantive due process, which protects fundamental rights. The Ninth Amendment is enumerated rights, that are rights not listed but are still protected. And judicial interpretation. Courts use this to expand like beyond the liberty of what is said in the text. Then we have the 10th Amendment, the federalism principle. Like, it means that power is not given. If the power is not given to the federal government, it's given to the state. We see this a lot with abortion laws and stuff like that, because you can get an abortion in California, but you can't do the same in, say, Texas. And then there is state sovereignty. This is education, healthcare, and police powers, stuff like that. This is giving the power to the states if the federal government doesn't, well, the federal government does not state it. We also have equal protection. The 14th Amendment guarantees equal protection. We saw this in the Brown versus Board of Education, like the case that ended school segregation. And then we also saw this in the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which banned discrimination in public accommodation and employment. Lastly, we have discrimination. The 15th Amendment states, well, it says the federal and state government cannot deny a citizen the right to vote based on race, color, or anything. If they are a citizen of the United States, then they are allowed to vote. And then once again, the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which really helped shut down segregation because of the schools where they stated segregated but equal. It was not truly segregated. It was not equal. In conclusion, These are civil rights that we all, as American citizens, are born with. Our founding fathers established majority of these to help make this a great country.